computer upgrade time. So we're going to be installing this M.2 drive into a computer that hasn't been touched since 2019. This one is 2 terabytes. I'm not going to use the heatsink that came with it because instead of that, I have a cooling fan that I'm going to use. So it's copper on the bottom. Yes, I already have the fan connected to this machine. Being from 2019, it did not have a TPM, but I've installed one. You might be able to make it out right there. And so now that I've added that, I should be able to put Windows 11 on this machine. Now the drive is in place, so that's M.2 in position 0. There is a position for a second M.2 drive that's going across that black heatsink right there. I am not going to put that in until after I get Windows set up. And in the meantime, I'm using this P6000 just for the installation. I do have an, RTX 460 coming out tomorrow.